survey is then loaded into the computer system of the Vietcon 2500 mixer and is calibrated. The ДорЦем is then loaded into the mixer connected to the supply truck. A short test run is then made, followed by any necessary adjustments in accuracy. When all this has been satisfactorily completed, operations can begin. The progress of the mixer over the terrain is followed by static and dynamic compaction. Extra water is added if required to prevent premature drying. After final leveling, a wearing course can be applied, if necessary, after as little as 24 hours. Here, we see a triple-layered wearing course being laid of fine, medium and rough chippings, with between each layer a hot bitumen spray. With fully mechanized equipment, we are able to produce 6,000 to 8,000 square meters a day at a single layer thickness of 250 millimeters. Compared with similar traditional road construction, ДорЦем can be used with a time saving of 50 to 70%.